You think you know what a black hole so-one's like? Let me destroy that myth. Have you ever heard the sound of the black hole TON 618? You actually haven't, because it doesn't exist. There's no air in space, which means no sound. Every TON 618 sound you've heard online is just a computer reconstruction, a simulation based on gas vibrations and gravitational waves. But NASA really did record sound waves coming from a black hole in the Perseus Cluster, a deep, eerie hum, 57 octaves below middle C, a true cosmic voice resonating through clouds of intergalactic gas. Perseus Cluster sound by NASA. TON 618 is a myth. Perseus is proof that even the silence of space can speak. Not everything in space is silent. Follow to hear more.